If you want to become more social, start by thinking about how you interact with others. When you meet another person, make an effort to smile and use friendly, open body language. Be sincere and open minded, and give others your full attention when they're speaking. Ask questions to show that you're interested in them and what they have to say. As you get to know people, take the initiative to invite them to do things with you. And don't forget to accept invitations from others too. If you're not sure how to meet people to hang out with, consider joining a club or organization for people who share your interests and values. You can also try getting to know people who are already a part of your social network, like coworkers, classmates, or friends of friends. If insecurities are holding you back from being social, take time to put those feelings in perspective. Make a list of all your positive qualities to remind yourself of all the great things you have to offer the world. It can be tough to get outside your comfort zone, but do your best to just relax and enjoy yourself. You probably won't click with everyone you meet, and that's okay. The more you put yourself out there, the more likely you are to build some amazing new friendships.